Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. In this session, we shall dive into the crucial realm of backups, discover how BitBlast seamlessly integrates with NFS and S3 storage for data backups. BitBlast offers the flexibility to utilize both NFS and S3 storage solutions for your backups. Here's how to mount each option. Let's start with the mounting NFS. Navigate to the backup section with your BitBlast platform. Look for the section dedicated to mounting NFS storage. Click on the three dots and then click on the Mount NFS option. A desired window will appear to fill the necessary details. Enter the host name. Specify the path on the NFS server where your backups will be stored. Once you have filled out the respective form for NFS, confirm the details and initiate the mounting process. BitBlast will handle the connection and mount the chosen storage for your backups. Similarly, you can also mount S3. Similar to NFS, find a dedicated section for mounting S3 storage within the backup tab. Click the button to access the S3 mount form. This form will typically require access key, bucket name, secret key, and URL. Once you have filled out the respective form for S3, confirm the details and initiate the mounting process. You may have an option to view the currently mounted storage locations within the backup tab. This helps confirm that your NFS or S3 bucket is successfully mounted. Now unmounting this NFS or S3 storage. If you no longer require a mounted storage solution, you can locate the mounted NFS share or S3 bucket within the backup tab and initiate the unmount process. Click on the unmount button. BitBlast will disconnect from the storage locations, making it unavailable for future backups until remounted. By effectively utilizing NFS or S3 storage options in BitBlast, you gain a robust and scalable solutions for safeguarding your valuable database backups. Remember to choose the storage method that best suits your specific needs and security requirements. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.